Want to keep your garden green year-round? Try our top tips for a great garden. Pick lawn that's easy to look after and the right fit for your yard. Buffalo is a newer soft-leaf lawn that grows well in warm and cool climates. Couch is also a winner for any climate, but you will have to mow it closely to stop it spreading into your garden beds. Kikuyu is hardy and easy to care for, and you'll need to mow it often in the growing season. Queensland Blue Couch looks beautiful in warmer climates with its dark green hue. Zoysia thrives in warm places and can tolerate heavy use, and because it's slow growing, it's easy to maintain. To give your grass a healthy green glow year-round, it's best to fertilise it often. The best time to water your garden is when the sun isn't scorching, like early morning or in the late afternoon or evening. Half an hour after sunrise is best because the water can run down and sink into the soil before the sun dries it out. To water a big area, use a dual tap timer to control different zones in your garden or try a fully automated system. Watering hanging baskets can be a bit tricky. One way is to use a Pope extendable wand, like our 45cm or 70cm deluxe wand. It's got a soft grip handle, 9 spray patterns with flow control, a metal adapter and a 180-degree adjustable head. If you want to save water, add a thick layer of mulch. It works a bit like a sunshade, keeping the roots cool and stopping over 70% of your water from being evaporated. Use organic mulch to help break down and nourish your soil. Apply between 5 and 7 centimetres to the plant stem and top it up each year. We love organic mulch that has lots of cuttings from your garden. This is called green mulch. Bamboo, straw, sugarcane, pine bark and arborist mulch, which has chipped tree prunings, are also good options. Add mulch in spring before the soil starts drying out. The type you choose will depend on the size of the space you're mulching, your budget and the finished look you're after. Make the most of your garden by planting things you can eat, like fresh fruits and veg. If you have space, citrus trees are a great choice. Whether it's a lemon, lime, orange or mandarin tree, insects love them as much as we do. So to protect your citrus, just mix 1 cup of olive oil with half a cup of water and add 3 drops of detergent. Then simply spray it on the underside of the leaves. An easy way to get the kids into the garden is to plant strawberries in pots or in a garden bed. Growing delicious strawberries starts with the soil, so make sure it's slightly acidic, around pH 5 to 7.5. If it's alkaline, use pots with a fruit and citrus mix. Strawberries love a lot of feed, so add a bit of ground coffee and plenty of compost.